Okay, next question is explain why the demand curve for the market is downward sloping but is horizontal or completely elastic for an individual firm. Now, this is actually a really good question. So let's take a look. So on the one hand, we have a perfectly competitive market, which looks like this. And on the other hand, we have our perfectly competitive firm, right? Sorry, that's not correct. So supply, and then we have demand is horizontal. Okay. And then we can draw this dotted line over. Okay, so they're the same price level, right? All at P star. So the question is, why is it that the market has a downward sloping demand curve, called this the market graph, and why is it that the firm graph has a horizontal demand curve? And the answer is basically the scale, right? The market demand curve is made up of a sum total, the aggregate total of all firms in this market, right? You at every price level, if you added up how much each firm makes, how many firms would, how much would each firm produce, right? And so it's downward sloping because there's an inverse, the law of demand tells us that as price goes up, quantity demanded is going to go down. And so, so in that sense, we know that as price, sorry, normalized about firms. It's not going to do it for I could do supply. The market demand curve is saying if you sum up the total of all the consumers in the market at every price level, how much would those consumers purchase, right? And so at a higher price level, we expect that all the consumers purchase less. At a lower price level, we assume all the producers would purchase more, and that's that, right? However, the thing is that when we have a what's it called? A firm level, the firms in a perfectly competitive market are price takers, right? They don't have an option to set the demand, right? Perfectly elastic demand. What that means is that whatever the equilibrium price is in the market, that's the price that each firm has to deal with. Because each firm is so small and so interchangeable with other firms that there's no need, there's no power or market power to influence the demand curve at all, or the price level at all, right? So we're price takers, not price setters. And that's the difference between the two. The market has the aggregate total of all consumption in the market, and that's going to be similar to the law of demand, what the law of demand tells us demand will look like. And the firm, because it's so small and has so little market power, can only take the price that is set. It cannot set the price itself. So that's the main difference between the two. Let's take a look at the previous two. The answer. Previous two says that the demand curve is horizontal or completely elastic for an individual firm, because the individual firm does not have any effect on the market price of the good. If a firm raises its price, it still will go to one of the other firms which sells the exact same good for a lower price. A firm also has no incentive to lower its price because it can already sell as many units of its goods as it wants for a market price. Lowering the price will not attract any more customers, only allow the firm to clear its inventory quicker. On the other hand, for the market, normal law of demand holds because price affects demand in the market adversely. Great, so they explained it really well. Nothing's really out there. And we can mark this as correct.